Did you know you can actually get paid to help train the next generation of AI? Handshake AI connects experts and students with projects that improve artificial intelligence, from validating data to contributing specialized knowledge. The pay really depends on the project. Some entry-level tasks start around $30 an hour, while more advanced roles can pay $85 to $100 an hour, and highly specialized STEM experts have reported earning $100 to $125 an hour on top-tier assignments. The great thing is you don't need to commit full-time. You can take on a few hours a week as a side hustle or go deeper if your expertise is in demand. Not only can you make good money, but your work also directly shapes the AI models that will power future tools and apps. If you want to check it out, I've dropped a link in the description where you can sign up for Handshake AI, browse current openings, and see what you qualify for. So click that link and start exploring the opportunities today. Now the next account I wanted to talk about is E-Moderators. E-Moderators specialize in chatting to get paid, and the reason I made this video is because accounts are opening massively for December, so please, if you have not applied, do it now. Cloudworkers has also started accepting again, which makes this the perfect time to prepare your application for both platforms. The good side about E-Moderators is that it pays more compared to many other entry-level online jobs, and both companies are looking for reliable people who can follow instructions and keep conversations engaging. To get started, make sure you fill out your application honestly, have your documents ready, especially a valid ID or driving license for verification, and prepare a short professional bio that shows your communication skills. Always take any tests or sample tasks seriously, because that's how they judge if you can handle real conversations. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and that your workspace is distraction-free. A few important tips: follow all instructions carefully, keep your profile consistent across platforms, and never try to use fake details or shortcuts, because that can lead to instant rejection. If you need help with the official process or want guidance on preparing your application, my email is in the description, and you can also WhatsApp me for support. The key is to apply early, since December hiring windows often fill up fast, and once your verification is done you'll be ready to start. So don't wait, make sure you apply now, prepare your ID, and get everything set up properly. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know if you've applied already or if you're planning to. Good luck with your applications, and I'll see you in the next video.